Joe Beermaster. We have a 2016 Chevy Equinox. This goes for multiple years and models of the Equinox. I'm going to show you where the battery location. Here you have the fuse box. If you open the hood, you'll see this cover on the driver's side. You want to get this cover off, pull that off, and then on top of it is this computer. And what we want to do is remove this because the battery is located underneath, as you can see here. The only way to do that is to take these 10mm bolts off. 10mm bolts. And we're going to do that. We'll get that off. Alright, so I took the two off, and there's one here and there's one under this panel here. We're just going to pull that up. Take these clips out. Sometimes you need a little clip tool for that. But these ones are coming out real quick. Use a little angle cutter. Alright, so there's the other 10. I mean, this is really difficult. I don't know why they did it this way, but just fold that back. Alright, so I got all 4 bolts out, and we're going to take this computer off here, just slide it to the side, and there's your battery right there, positive and negative. But if you want to jump it, you don't have to jump it from there. You can jump it from where this fuse cover is. There's a little post that sticks out through the top of this. So, and then positive and a ground, but refer to the manufacturer's instructions. Now to remove the battery. So once we got everything off, you take these off with a 10mm here. Use a 10mm wrench. So I already loosened them. So once they're off, just for demonstration purposes, the battery comes right out. Sometimes there's a tie down. This one I don't see it tied down anywhere, so that's how you would take the battery out. And that's it, pretty much. And you put it all back together. Joe Beermaster. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.